In the given question, which of the following is a tautology? To solve this type of problems, use truth table. For example, A, B, C. False, false, false. Let's say it's 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 1. 0, 1, 0. Now we will check all the options one by one. Let's see option B. A. A union B imply B and C. A or B is true whenever either of A or B is true, and it is false when both A and B are false. B and C will be false if either of them is 0, and it is true when both B and C are true. So in this case, A 0 B 0, it is false. False. Any one of them is 1, so it is 1. Let's complete the table. 1 1 1. B and C, here it is false. 1 0, it is false. If any one of it is 0, it is false. So false, it is true. False, false, again false, true. Now this term imply this term. We should know truth table of P imply Q. Whenever P is true and Q is false, then the whole term is false. In other cases, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, it is true, true, true. So using this truth table, I will derive it. It is 0, true, true. It is 1, it is 0, so it is false. In the result, we get here false. So this term is not tautology. Tautology means always true. Every term should have to be true, then it will be a tautology. Here we get 0. Don't write whole answer. We can decide option A is wrong. Now let's check option B. A and B imply B or C. So A and B 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 and 1, so it is 1. 1 and 1, so it is 1. B or C 0 1 1 1, again it is 0. Anyone is 1, so it is 1. Anyone is 1, so it is 1. Both are 1, so it is 1. Now using this truth table, we will derive this. It is 0. First term is P is 0, then it is automatically 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So it is tautology because all values are true. So option B is correct.